What is up, you guys? It is your girl, Mrs.La'QuitaLyn, and today this is gonna be like a mixed up vlog of different clips during last week. So I want to just give y'all a little bit of a weekly vlog. What you're gonna see first is me sitting and waiting to go get my blood drawn.
Healthcare provider can decide if PrEP may be right for you. PrEP means routinely taking prescription medicine before you're exposed to HIV to help reduce your
Got some stuff from the dollar store. Babe got some of the stuff for me. Got this cup. And this nightlight for the kiddos. Supposed to be censored. Babe got me this molded diamond ice mold, which I love molds, so got some balloons for the kids, this rapid egg, and this. He got pretty much most of this. I only got the cup and the balloons and the lights.
This is a public defender's office, and if you're gonna... No.